say, for Barbados to grow, this woman has to go. Thank you. Shabbat Shalom. First of all, I'm a practicing Hebrew, and I'm supposed to be Shabbat now, but when Sister Marcia called me and asked me to come here today, I accepted. I was supposed to be also on a plane to Zimbabwe later tonight after Shabbat, but I canceled that now for a time. Let me introduce myself. My name is Philip Catlin Springer, and I'm the CEO of the ADDI, which is the African Diaspora Development Institute globally. I'm also a vice president of the UNIAACL, which was started by the Honorable Marcus Garvey some more than 100 years ago. I'm also a now appointed ambassador as of Thursday out of Ankole, Uganda to the Caribbean. I'm also the president and chairman of the Barbados Sovereignty Party, which Kimar alluded to. And that party was the only one that, as he said, had the testicular fortitude to take this government and the previous government to court to prevent them from doing what they're doing today. Now, do I have extraordinary vision? Do I have extraordinary knowledge? No, I don't. But I know one thing. I see corruption, and I know corruption when I see corruption. And let me say to you, power can be corrupting, but absolute power is absolutely corrupting. And we have what is a corrupt government. It is corrupt, not because I say so. Listen, I laugh. I have my son here. He's from Canada too. He just came in a couple of days ago to see me. And I say to people like me, it's easy. I can get on a plane and go wherever the hell I want. I don't have to stand in this hot sun and put myself in danger. But guess what? I'm a Barbadian. I was born on this soil. No one is going to divorce me from this place other than God himself or herself, whichever you care to believe in. But I say to you today, when I was given the call to do a speech, I was told to speak that we're not afraid. And I started to write my notes because I do that in order to mentally prepare myself for the task at hand. And let me say to you that this morning I woke up probably about 2 o'clock, which is around the time I normally rise. And the Spirit said to me, "You sure you're not afraid?" And I started thinking about it. And before you knew it, I had about 2 pages of things that I was afraid of. I was afraid of the cyber crime bill. I was afraid of the laws that they took away, the buggery laws. I was afraid of. Look, I started going through this list, and I kept writing of all the things that I was afraid of. And then the Holy Spirit said to me, "Philip, but you should be more afraid that more people are not paying attention. They're comfortable, and they will only become uncomfortable when all of their liberties are extinguished." Right now we have helicopters flying over the air, and they say, "Oh, trade wind exercises. Okay, then let's, I'm amazed that America, who she is, has to come to the Caribbean to have trade wind exercises all up in Guyana, Barbados. And notice the 2 countries that the exercises are going on in. It isn't going on in St. Vincent or Trinidad or Jamaica. Barbados and Guyana. Think about it. I want to implore on each and every one of you here today to remember one thing. If you take nothing away from what I say today, I don't know if any of you watched the movie Brewster's Million, but you should. Let me tell you something. I want you to vote in the next election, neither B nor D.
Boy, tell them.
Neither B nor D.
Neither B nor D.
If you vote for the B's, you're going to get much of the same. And if you vote for the D's, you're going to get it absolutely the same. You can't change, a leopard doesn't change his spots overnight. They've had 55, 57 years, whatever, to try to make this country the people's country as it's supposed to be. But what they've done is they have made it their little dictatorship, as Kimar said. I don't know if most of you realize that a republic, what do you call that now? A parliamentary republic, which is what Barbados is classified as. There are about 7 types of republics. But Barbados is classified as a parliamentary republic. Now, I want you, when you leave here today, or some of you are good enough on your phones to Google it, look up what parliamentary republic means. It simply means that only the 30 people who have been voted on or selected, because I'm not so sure that they're elected either, only those 30 people have any say in the governance of this country. You don't, that's why you didn't elect a president. You don't have a say in any of those bills that are being passed in Parliament because you don't sit in one of those seats in Parliament. So, let me say to you, it is easy to stand here today and to criticize and tell the government all the bad things they're doing. But let me say to you that the government is only doing what you gave them the power to do.
Tell them, brother. Tell them.
They haven't broken any laws.